Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from VProp Trader. Before requesting a withdrawal, make sure you've met all the eligibility requirements, including the required trading days and profit targets, so the withdrawal request option appears on your dashboard. This step is essential. Next, log into your VProp Trader account and head to your dashboard. Locate the Withdraw or Profit Withdrawal option and select it. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, then choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer or cryptocurrency. Confirm your request. Once submitted, wait for the approval process to complete. After approval, your funds will be processed and sent using your selected payment method. As long as you follow the rules and carefully review your details, the withdrawal process is quick and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.